Good evening to all. This is Devi, working as assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science Engineering. In previous class, we will see the function definitions and function elements, and then syntax. In this video, we will see on the types of functions. There are two types of functions available in the C program. First one is the standard library function and the user defined function. So first we will see on the standard library functions. The standard library functions are built-in function in C programming. That is, the standard library function is also called as the built-in functions. These functions are defined in header files. So built-in functions always present in the header files also. Header file itself. The printf is a standard library function to send formatted output to the screen. What is the purpose we have to use in the printf is to display the output in the screen. This function is used to define in the studio.h header file. The studio, that is standard input output header file. This is the expansion of studio.h stdio.h. Hence, to use the printf function, we need to include the stdio.h header file using hash include stdio.h. This is the header file name. So here the printf statement is a built-in function. The sqrt function calculates the square root of a number. The function is defined in the math.h header file. Likewise, scanf is a input getting. Here also mentioned in the stdio.h header file. Here give the some example about the calling function and called function. So main function is given and then a function name is there, that is the calling function. Again, in front of the function we will mention the data type like integer, float, character. This is the data type. And then function prototype. A function prototype is simply the declaration of a function that specifies a function name, parameters and return type. It does not contain function body. A function prototype gives information to the compiler that the function may later be used in the program. And then this is the calling function. Calling function is nothing but the control of the program is transferred to the user defined function by calling it. So what is the syntax of the calling function? Call function name and then arguments. In the above example, the function call is mode is using add numbers. In previous example we will see the addition. Add numbers n1 n2. In this statement, inside the main function is provided. And then passing arguments. So passing arguments to a function in programming, argument refers to the variable passed to the function. In the above example, two variables are there. First one is the n1 and the second one. During the function call, the parameters a and b accept the passed arguments in the function definition. These arguments are called the formal parameters of the function. Formal parameters are formal arguments. How to pass the arguments to a function? This is the example program is given. So here the type of argument passed to a function and the formal parameters must match, otherwise the compiler will throw an error. The function can also be called without passing an argument. Here the example int add number, function name is the int a and int b. Function name is add numbers. What is the parameters is int a and int b. So what is the main function is given to add the two numbers. So sum is equal to add numbers n1 comma n2. Instead of n1 n2 we are using a and b. So return statement. What is the return statement? The return statement terminates the execution of a function and returns a value to the calling function. The program control is transferred to the calling function after the return statement. In the above example, the value of the result variable is returned to the main function. The sum variable in the main function is assigned to this value. Thank you.